So by the end of this video, you should be able to expand multiple brackets and collect like terms. So let's have an example. We have 3x plus 6 plus 4x minus 2 in brackets. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the distributive law and we're going to expand both these brackets. So this one first, we're going to have 3 times x, so that's 3x. And we're going to have 3 times 6, so that'll be plus 18. Then we're going to sort this one out. We're going to expand this bracket. 4 times x is 4x. And we've got 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Now what we're going to do is we are going to, as it says up here, collect like terms, which means we're going to group together all the variables, all the x's. So we've got 3x and 4x, and then we're going to group together the constants. So that just makes it easier for us. So we've got 3x plus 4x plus 18 minus 8. And now we're going to tidy this up, simplify it. 3x plus 4x is 7x, 18 minus 8 is 10. So we get 7x plus 10. And that's how it's done. Let's have another go. 5 in brackets y minus 3 minus 4 in brackets y minus 6. Okay, so let's start with the left term first. So we've got 5 times y is 5y, and then 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. And now this minus is associated with this 4. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply minus 4 by y. So it's going to be minus 4y. And now we're going to be multiplying minus 4 with minus 6. And we get positive 24. Let's collect like terms. So collect the y's together. So we've got 5y minus 4y. And then we've got minus 15 plus 24. So this comes to y plus 9. Okay, getting a little bit more trickier. Now we've got 5t in brackets t minus 2, and then minus 4 in brackets t plus 3. So let's start with this first. So 5t times t is 5t squared. Then it's 5t times minus 2, so that'll be minus 10t. Now we've got minus 4 times t, which is minus 4t. And then it's minus 4 times positive 3, which would be minus 12. Okay, so we can see that this has already been collected. So we've got the t squared value here, we've got the t's in the middle, and we've got the constant here. So what we can do is we can simplify this. So we've got 5t squared minus 10 minus 4t is minus 14t minus 12. Alright, and now let's try a tricky one still. So we've got 3b times b plus 7 minus 3 times b minus 3 plus b times 1 minus b. So let's start with this term first. We've got 3b times b, which is 3b squared. Then we've got 3b times 7, which is 21b. Then we've got minus 3 times b, which is minus 3b. Minus 3 times minus 3 is positive 9, so that's plus 9. Then we've got b times 1, which is plus b. Then we got b times minus b, which is minus b squared. Okay, so now we've got b squareds here. So we can have 3b squared minus b squared, which comes to, oh, sorry, there we go, 3b squared minus b squared. Then we've got the b's, so we've got 21b minus 3b plus b. So 21b minus 3b plus b. And then we have the plus 9 here. Now we can tidy this up and simplify. So 3b squared minus b squared is 2b squared. We've got 21b minus 3b plus b, which is 19b. And then we've got the plus 9 at the end there. And that is how we do it. Okay, so a few steps there. And it's just being careful to multiply the correct. So when we've got a minus sign in front of the term, in front of the bracket, we have to include that when we're distributing. In case here we had minus 3 times minus 3, that becomes positive 9. So be careful there. So a lot of people can go wrong. But again, it's just practice and taking it slowly.